Embark on a thrilling exploration of a hypothetical scenario in our solar system's history. Get ready to discover what happens when we remove the largest planet from our solar system. Brace yourselves for today as we ponder the profound question, what if Jupiter never existed in our solar system? Imagine a solar system where Jupiter never formed, leaving a void in our planetary family. As we delve into this alternate reality, let's examine the far-reaching consequences it would have on Earth and the wider solar system. First, let's talk about the king of planets. Billions of years ago, our solar system began as a vast swirling disk of gas. Within this cloud, Jupiter emerged as a gas giant, shaping the destiny of our solar system. Jupiter's huge size and strong pull affected the swirling cloud of gas and dust around it. It created gaps and changes in the cloud, making room for other planets to form, like Earth. If Jupiter wasn't there, things would have been different. Let's explore how different. Without Jupiter, the cloud of gas and dust would have been spread out more evenly, and Earth might have turned out very different too. Yes, you heard it right. Jupiter's absence would have significantly impacted the formation and evolution of Earth and the other inner planets. Jupiter's strong gravity pulls on other planets and helps them stay in their proper places. It is also responsible for keeping the asteroids bound by its gravitational pull. It's like a giant cosmic traffic controller. In the early days, Jupiter's massive size and gravitational pull acted as a gravitational vacuum cleaner, capturing or deflecting countless asteroids and comets that could have collided with Earth. Its presence helped stabilize the inner regions of the solar system, allowing the planets to form and thrive. If Jupiter wasn't there, Earth would have been at greater risk from other objects in space. This would have increased the chances of collisions during Earth's early formation. These frequent impacts would have long-lasting effects on Earth's terrain, possibly making it harder for life to develop. In fact, if Jupiter didn't exist, the way plants and animals evolve on Earth would be very different, or we might not even have existed at all. The absence of Jupiter would also have a big impact on the other big planets in our solar system like Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and even Pluto. Jupiter acts like a giant anchor, keeping the outer planets in their proper positions. After all, it accounts for about 71% of the total mass of all the planets combined. Yes, it's that massive. You could fit approximately 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. Today, Jupiter still has an important job. It helps keep everything in our solar system stable and acts as a protective shield for the planets in our solar system like it did billions of years ago. That's why, without Jupiter's presence, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would wander off the usual paths, leading to new arrangements and interactions between them. This would cause the rings around these planets and the moons that orbit them to change too. The familiar patterns and movements we see in their rings and moons would be completely transformed, creating a whole new cosmic dance in the outer reaches of our solar system. Amazing, right? As our cosmic exploration draws to a close, we are left awestruck by the impact Jupiter has on our solar system. It invites us to reflect on the intricate dance of celestial forces that shape our universe, inspiring us to continue our exploration and expand our knowledge of the cosmos.